Very often I get the same question. Is it even possible to trade without indicators? Because RSI shows one thing, MACD shows another, moving average are always lagging. In the end, there's confusion in your head. And the worst part is a loss on the account. If you want to trade in profit and have balances like mine, then this video will be very useful for you. Today I'll honestly show whether trading without indicators is possible. I remind you that I have my own Telegram channel where I share my strategies, tips, access to copying my signals and a lot of useful information. Make sure to subscribe. So let's begin. The main idea I want to share today is that indicators don't give signals. They only show what the price has already done. Price comes first, and if you can read price, indicators are either not needed or become an additional filter. You can't rely only on indicator. It's not a foundation, it's not a money button, it's not a tool that will always make you profitable. So what does trading without indicators means? It's not chaos. It's support levels, resistance levels, trend direction, market structure, candle behavior, basically pure technical analysis without extra noise. As you can see, I have the euro-dollar pair open, no indicators, just a clean chart. I think I'll show how to trade without indicators using 3 trades. What do we do first? We open the 1 hour time frame and look at the situation. We identify the trend. The trend is bullish, clearly bullish. There are small signs of flattening, but I still think price will move up. Now we open the 1 minute time frame. Here we see good buying momentum. We wait for a small pullback and enter a buy, setting a 100 order. I think I can enter here. I'll wait a bit more. Here. Done. Now we wait and see how the situation develops. Yes, there will be some up and down movement, but we entered with the trend. We identified momentum, checked different time frames, and entered the first buy order. I remind you that in case of losing trades, we can use martingale system, but really carefully. No more than 2 losing trades in a row and no more than multiply by 2 of the deposit relative to the order size. Now we already see the formation of a second bullish candle, quite large. We have 14 seconds left. We entered with a trend and the situation looks very good. A confident move upward. I think we can continue trading with the trend. Everything is simple. We identify the trend, mark the levels and made profit. As you can see, a winning trade. Great. I think a reversal is possible when price reaches this level. I'll mark it right away and continue trading calmly with the trend. This is one of the basic strategies. We follow the trend and wait for the right moment. A small pullback, reduce risk, and then we enter. We can enter here. Price is moving up steadily. Now there is a small pullback down. That's fine. Price will keep moving up, at least to the level I marked. By using technical analysis, learning to work with it, looking at different time frames, understanding candle behavior and market structure, you really can trade profitably without indicators. Technical analysis is your foundation in trading. You can't rely only on indicators. You can use them only together with technical analysis. If you confidently use technical analysis and read the chart, you can make money without indicators. I often trade without indicators in my videos and close trades confidently. Even if some trades are losses right now with the way that we might get a loss because a strong bearish candle is forming, yes. By martingale I go multiply by 2 and enter again. Now momentum goes up and I enter. So you need to Approach technical analysis with a clear head. Spend a lot of time on it. Don't rush chasing big money right away. You need to calmly learn how to use all platform tools. The more time you spend on the chart, drawing lines, the easier it will be to trade different currency pairs later. You practice here. Start understanding the market, and then you really begin to earn consistently. This is important. Now we see a reversal. A bullish candle forms and breaks our level. Yes, it breaks it, and I think we will close in profit. We have 7 seconds left. Strong bullish candle is forming, and we close. Yes, profit, as you can see. Great. We had 3 trades. One was a loss, which we recovered using martingale. I'll enter one more trade on another currency pair and then withdraw the profit. First, we choose a pair by payout. Here, 92% payout. Great. What do we see on this pair? We look at the 1 hour time frame. We start from higher to lower time frames. The trend is also bullish. A small bearish candle is forming. Let's check the impulse. I opened the 1 second chart to understand the impulse. There is bullish impulse. So what do? We wait for a small pullback and enter a buy. If a second candle forms, I'll enter immediately. I'll wait a bit. No rush, it's better to wait for a pullback, but price is confidently moving to this level, leaving wicks behind. I'll enter. I think it will at least move to this level where the reversal happened, and then we will see. The main thing is to understand the chart. It's cyclical. History often repeats itself. Here you see a similar pattern to what happened earlier. If you pay attention to this, you will trade profitably. Your trading will be calm and profitable. This is not a casino. You don't rely on luck. You rely on technical analysis. Right now a reversal is happening. Good momentum. I think within the remaining time we will break the level we marked and continue upward. I'll mark it with the horizontal line. I think price will move roughly within these boundaries. There is a small pullback down, that's fine. A strong bullish candle will form away. I think we will close in profit. Now there's a breakout, that's okay. Yeah, it held. You see, it was a bit shaky, but the previous candle gave strong support, so we still closed in profit. Everything is simple. If you learn to understand the chart, spend time on it, practice on a demo account first. It's the same market but without the risk of losing money. You will gain experience and understand how it works, and you will trade profitably. Today we had 4 trades. 3 were profitable, 1 we recovered with martingale. Today we used pure technical analysis without indicators. What do I want to say in conclusion? When indicators are still useful, this is an important point. I'm not saying indicators are bad. I'm saying they are not primary. Indicators are useful to confirm your idea, filter entries, and reduce emotions. For example, RSI to see overbought levels, moving average to understand the trend. But the main thing is price, candles, and technical analysis. Remember this, it's very important for stable, profitable. At the beginning of the video, the balance was 3,250. Now, as you can see, it's 3,609. I'll withdraw today's profit that I earned in front of you. I click withdraw. I remind you about my Telegram channel. Make sure to subscribe. There's a lot of useful trading content, strategy breakdowns, and access to copying my signals. Trust me, there's a lot of valuable information there. I withdraw the profit. I click continue. That's it. The money is sent. As usual, it will arrive within 20-30 minutes. I hope you understood the main idea of this video. Indicators are a very useful tool, but they are secondary. We must rely on technical analysis and use indicators only as an additions to confirm our ideas and check if the strategy makes sense. They give hints, but they are not the main thing. The main thing is to learn how to work with the chart, understand candle behavior, and do full technical analysis with a clear mind. I was glad to see you in this video. Subscribe to the channel, watch my next videos. I wish you profitable trading. Bye!